Looking to lose weight with a natural and delicious method? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about an essential aspect of weight loss, a balanced diet. We'll delve into the world of wholesome foods, exploring 8 specific ones that can aid in shedding those extra pounds. These foods are not just nutritious, but also tantalizing to your taste buds. So, without further ado, let's dive into the list of these amazing foods. First on our list is avocados. These green gems are powerhouses of nutrition, offering an abundance of vitamins and minerals. But what sets them apart is their high fiber content and monounsaturated fat. These components can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, curbing that nagging desire to snack. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. You can slice them onto a salad, mash them into guacamole, or even blend them into a smoothie. So, adding a little avocado to your meals could make a big difference. Next, we have eggs. Heralded as a powerhouse of nutrition, eggs are your ally in the pursuit of a leaner silhouette. Their high protein content makes them a satiating breakfast option, keeping hunger pangs at bay until lunch. This protein punch also aids in muscle repair and building, a crucial factor in ramping up your metabolism. Not to mention, eggs are chock full of essential vitamins and minerals. So, make them a staple in your morning routine. Don't skip the eggs in your breakfast if you're aiming for weight loss. Third on our list is almonds. These small but mighty nuts pack a nutritional punch with their high protein and fiber content. They're a great snack choice because they keep you feeling full, helping to curb overeating. A handful of almonds could keep those hunger pangs at bay. Berries are our fourth food. These vibrant morsels are high in fiber and water, making them a perfect snack for weight loss. They work by helping you feel satisfied with fewer calories, aiding in your journey towards better health. So, make sure to add some berries to your diet. Coming up next is Greek yogurt. This creamy delight is packed with high-quality protein, helping you feel satiated, which in turn can lead to consuming fewer calories. It's a perfect blend of taste and nutrition. Greek yogurt is a great addition to any weight loss diet. Sixth on our list is green tea. A wonder beverage, green tea is known for its metabolism-boosting properties. It aids in weight loss by enhancing your body's fat-burning mechanism. So why not swap your regular tea or coffee with green tea for better results? Next is the wonderful grapefruit. This citrus superstar is renowned for its appetite-controlling properties. Packed with fiber, it helps you feel full longer, reducing your calorie intake. Plus, it's low in calories itself. Include a grapefruit in your diet to shed those extra pounds. Last but not least, we have whole grains. Bursting with health benefits, these powerhouses of nutrition are high in fiber, helping to keep you satisfied longer. This satiety can prevent overeating and aid in weight management. Opt for whole grains over refined ones for effective weight loss. So there you have it. 8 foods that can help you lose weight. Avocados, eggs, almonds, berries, Greek yogurt, green tea, grapefruit, and whole grains. Each plays a unique role in your weight loss journey, offering a range of nutrients and benefits. But remember, these foods are most effective when incorporated into a balanced diet and paired with regular exercise. It's about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle, not seeking a magic bullet. Remember, it's not about a quick fix, but a lifestyle change. Good luck on your weight loss journey.